my loves, in this reading, we will going to have general reading and what's coming next. Let's see the energy first. Okay, so meron tayo itong Scosalite or Scolecite. Napakagandang crystals, my loves. Damborite or ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, more on clear crystal siya. And ayan, the epidote, my loves. More on clarity dito. And if ever, my loves, you are under your pillow, wherever you want to establish, I hear na you want to establish as chill zone. So ibig sabihin, my loves, most of the time recently is hindi ka chill. Nararamdaman mo sa sarili, marami kang pressure na nararamdaman sa sarili mo. Pwedeng ang daming bumabagabag sa sarili mo, my loves. That's why gusto mong humiga sa bed, gusto mong magpaka-chill zone, pero hindi mo magawa, my loves. Hindi ka din mapagkatulog. I also hear that hindi ka mapagkatulog, and sabihin natin, you want to dive into your dreams, pero hindi mo magawa. Nangihingi ka ng signs from your angel spirits and also the past and loved ones through dreams, pero hindi mo siya matandaan. I also hear that, my loves. So with these two crystals na may kinalaman sa ating subconscious minds, my loves, I hear na grabe, nandun yung stress, andun yung sabihin natin stress mo even sa yung mga finances and resources, my loves. Okay. So, may tendency, alam niyo, daily life. Daily life mo is puro stressed. Kasi gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng chill zone eh. Gusto mo mapagkatulog, or sabihin natin gusto mong matulog ng mahimbing, pero hindi mo magawa, my loves. And sabihin natin na nawawalan ka din ng pag-asa when it comes to your, para alam niyo, di ba, dream sleep. Pwede din yung dreams as pangarap, my loves. With this epidote, upgrade your version of you. I hear na may kailangan ka i-develop when it comes to yourself. Kahit na sabihin mo na hindi ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ka nai-stress right now, ikaw pa rin, sayo at sayo pa rin yan sa huli. Nasa sayo pa rin, my loves. Maaaring sabihin natin yung pang-araw-araw mo na tinatakbuhan right now, or yung life mo right now is dahil sa ibang tao. Yung stress na kukuha mo is dahil sa ibang tao. My loves, dito you are urged to upgrade yourself. Ano ba yung routine na nakasanayan ng tao sa paligid mo na nagkakos sa'yo ng anxiety and stress? Kailangan baguhin mo yun, my loves. So, dito kailangan ay magkaroon ka ng upgrade. Kung dati halimbawa is, sabihin natin na ang routine mo is, meron kang, hindi mo alam kung ano yung task mo when it comes to your, sabihin natin, sa life mo, hindi mo alam kung nakadepende lang sa mga tao sa paligid mo kung ano gagawin mo ngayong araw. Parang wala kang sariling manubela. So dito, my loves, you have to upgrade yourself. You have to upgrade your version of you. When you want to cast a spotlight on your weakness, you have to work on them. Ano ba yung weakness mo, my loves, na nagkakos sa'yo ng lots of stress? You have to upgrade. This is the sign na kailangan ko na bang gawin to? Yes, my loves. And also, I hear na you have to connect with your subconscious minds. Kasi ito is, sabihin natin, parang kailangan mo talaga ma-experience yung dreamy state mo. Hindi, dito recently my loves, hindi ka talaga mapagkatulog, hindi ka mahimbing sa pagtulog. And your spirit guides are telling you na kailangan mong ma-attain yun. Paano mo yung gagawin? Paano mo gagawin yung ano na yon? Kasi marami, pag may stress and anxiety, hirap talagang makatulog. Pero paano? Ano ang dapat mo maging action dito, my loves? So dito, I also hear na meron din, may kinalaman ang lavender, purple color. Kailangan mo yan right now. Kailangan mo i-relax talaga yung iyong self for your subconscious mind. Okay? But, sabihin natin na hindi mo yun kaya kung ikaw yung tipo na individual na nakadepende sa mga ano tawag doon, yung nakakapagpa-relax. My loves, you have to upgrade yourself. Kung dati, pag ikaw is inaatake, halimbawa na anxiety, kailangan mo maggamot, paano ma-i-upgrade yung sarili mo, my loves? Kasi nandito you have to upgrade. May kailangan ka ding baguhin sa yung version na nakasanayan ng ibang tao. Let's see more clarifier. Kasi eto, hindi ka makakatulog pero spirits are telling you kailangan mong makatulog, kailangan mong managinip. Maybe meron silang mga gustong sabihin sa'yo through your dreams. Alam niyo yun, yung mga hindi nyo kayang gawin, ito yung tinatawag or itinatawag sa inyo right now. So maybe this is the right time for you. Ayan. My loves, I hear na kailangan mo i-embrace ang pagbabago. Kung meron man pagbabago na darating sa'yo with the number 5 cards, meron nga, kung walang pagbabago pa right now, merong upcoming na changes. And pwede din na iyon is i-take mo as your upgrades. Sabihin natin, pwedeng mag-cause ng anxiety yung pagbabago na yon. Pero my loves, isipin mo para makaluwag sa iyong damdamin na iyon is part lang ng iyong upgrades. Pagpapalakas ng inner power, my loves. So dito, with the cow spirits, may the embrace of all that is nurturing you awaken in all that you are becoming. So dito, my loves, kailangan mo i-embrace kung ano yung pagbabago na yun. And this is one of the confirmation na may kinalaman yun sa'yo. Mostly, my loves, self-empowerment. I also hear the fulfillment of your goals. Kung hindi mo yan yun nakikinita, my loves, may kasiguradahan dito, my loves. Make sure to feel it in your bones for who you are, or for you are what you believe. My loves, kagaya ng dumito dito sa epidote natin, or excuse me, epidote natin is upgrades. Kailangan i-embrace mo, my loves, yung upgrades na yun. May pagbabago Pwedeng, my loves, na yun is nagkakos sa'yo right now ng anxiety, pero kailangan mong i-embrace, my loves, yun. Kasi part yun na upgrades mo, lalo na ito is pwedeng challenges to. Makikita mo to as challenges, pero ito is malaki ang maitutulong when it comes to your inner power and to awaken the goddess within you. Pwedeng before, ikaw ay dependent sa mga decision ng ibang tao, but right now, because of this changes and transformation, ikaw na, independently ang magde-decide. Pwedeng ganun, my loves, kasi nandito yung inner power and goddess. So let it be known, no will or desire is more powerful than you embodied. My loves, this is one reminder na you are powerful being. I also hear kung ikaw ay sabihin nating nai-stress because of other people. Kasi pag itong inner power and goddess yan, more on paligid yung talagang merong contribution sa yung stress and anxiety, my loves. Pero dito, isipin mo na walang kahit sino, walang sabihin natin, kahit ano pa yung hinahangad sa'yo ng ibang tao. Your inner power, kung ikaw ay sabihin natin, alam mo yung halaga mo, alam mo yung power mo, and sabihin natin yung determination mo, my loves. Hindi nila yon mape-penetrate. And I also hear, hindi mo kailangang mo i-embrace kung ano man yung pagbabago, and kailangan mo i-nurture yung inner power mo. You have to upgrade yourself nang hindi ka, sabihin natin, alam niyo yung, dito parang I hear the victim mentality, pwede yun. But, with your inner power, may iwasan may victim mentality dito eh. Dahil nandito yung upgrades. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, dito, you have to nurture yourself without being revengeful to other people. Okay, without being revengeful. Let's see more reminders from spirits. Kasi dito, my loves, nabanggit dito, no will or desire is more powerful than you. So, embody it. It's time for you to awaken that. Kung meron nagdidesisyon para sa'yo, my loves, at alam mong mali yun, I hear na kailangan mong bigyan ng limitation, lagyan ng boundaries yung decision na binibigay sa'yo ng ibang tao. Okay. Uy, dalawa. Stag spirit and deer spirit. Take the lead, bring a... Oh, diba? Look. You have to take the lead, my loves. Mag-initiate ka para sa pagbabago ng or pag-upgrade ng version mo. Take a leap of faith. Ang ganda, my loves. Pinapalakas talaga ng spirits yung loob mo. Dito, my loves, oh, with the stag spirit, di ba kagaya na sinabi ko sa'yo, without revengeful, ayan oh, bring a gentle touch. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kumbaga, in-nurture mo yung sarili mo without being harm to other people. Kahit na sabihin sila yung dahilan kung bakit ka nasasaktan right now, sabihin natin, huwag kang maging harsh. At nasa sayo ang initiation ng pagbabago, ng pag-upgrade ng yung version. At manalig ka, my loves. I also hear the abundance here and also the crown. Talagang, kung meron kang gusto ipanalo, mananalo ka, my loves eh. But without being harsh. Ipakita mo yung light mo, my loves. Yung inner power mo within you. Hindi mo kailangan magpakita ng power sa iba. Hindi mo kailangan ipakita yon. Dapat within yourself. So, patatagin mo yung iyong inner power, lalo na, my loves, kung ikaw ay napaghaharian ng anxiety and stress. Focus on your crown chakra. And I also, also hear, my loves, ayan o, crown chakra. Connect with your ancestors, my loves. And give your time to nurture your mind. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, kung hindi ka mapagkatulog, paano mo tutulungan yung mind mo na maging blank state? So, mag-meditate ka, my loves. Alisin mo yung mga nasa isipan mo, yung overthinking mo. Kasi may panalo ka dito. With the grasshopper, I also hear the abundance and prosperity here. Kasi, pag tinignan nyo, ano ibig sabihin ng green grasshopper, it is significance to abundance and prosperity. So, kung hindi mo man yun nakikita right now, my loves, continue to nurture yourself to awaken kung ano yung upgrade na nakalaan para sa'yo. Kailangan, my loves, every sabihin nating trial. Ayan, my loves, for continuation of our reading, naputol yung ating reading from ayan, dito sa ating grasshopper. So, ito yung mga na-pull nating card habang kumbaga pinagpapatuloy natin yung reading earlier, and naputol siya because of the battery. Pero let's continue this reading. So dito, my loves, obviously meron tayo ditong na-pull na grasshopper. Take a leap of faith, my loves. And sunundan naman yon, my loves, ng sabihin nating confirmation cards natin with the boat, the clover, and the good news. So, it is a strong reminder, my loves, na because of this faith, my loves, wag mo hayaan na ma-block ng iyong mga thoughts, ng iyong mga pinagdadaanan right now, yung mga good news na to. A good omen, this ship will always be for you. A happy journey. You are destined for a happy journey, my loves. Always remember, with this clover, lovely clover na to, you are meant for happiness. So, double confirmation for happiness cards, my loves. So, sabihin natin, let's consider na yung pinagdadaanan mo right now ay part lang ng cycle para ma-awaken yung iyong inner power at maalala na ito is part lamang ng iyong journey, ng happy journey, my loves. And sabihin natin, kung meron kang iniintay dito, nandun yung winning mo, my loves. So, nasa iyo yung crown. Meron kang good news with this cavalier na paparating. Let us see from where they are arriving, my loves. Huwag mong hayaan na ma-block to ng iyong mga pinagdadaanan right now. And spirits are telling you, be assertive. Alam mo kung ano ang tama na dapat mong gawin, paano mo ma-nurture ang iyong sarili. Forgive you and others, my loves. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, huwag kang masyadong maging harsh. Also, the revengeful na heart ay hindi makakatulong sa'yo. So, you must forgive yourself and also other people. So, first come, first, my loves, kailangan ipatawarin mo din ang iyong sarili. Huwag kang maging harsh sa iyong sarili. Huwag mong pahirapan ang iyong sarili. And wait for this good news. Huwag kang mainip, my loves. Baka isa yan sa nakakapagpabigat ng iyong thoughts. Huwag kang mainip. Just wait. Be assertive, forgive, and wait, my loves. So, nakita natin dito habang sabihin natin, hirap kang makatulog, di ba, my loves? Or sabihin natin, dahil sa mga thoughts na yan and burdens na ginagawa or nagiging effect ng mga tao sa paligid mo, hindi ka mapagkatulog. So, habang nag-iintay ka, my loves, silibagan mo ang sarili mo through this self-love by using your hands and also by dreaming and look for fairies. So, ito is may indication kung meron kang hobby na gustong gawin mo siya using your hands, my loves. Libangin mo ang iyong sarili. May tendency din na ito din is kung meron kang gustong pasukin na venture, my loves, hindi kinalaman sa hands mo, pwede dun mo din makita ang iyong luck, ang iyong abundance, my loves. So, make it sure nag-enjoy ka and iyon is part ng iyong healing and nurturing sa iyong sarili para alam nyo yun, yung hindi siya makabigat or hindi makadagdag para mabawasan kung ano may stress na kinakaharap mo right now. And also, kung eto, look for the fairies, it is, sabihin natin, pwede ding indication yan sa mga movies, my loves. Libingan mo ang sarili mo doon sa mga fantasy movies. Maniwala ka sa unknown, my loves. And kung nagtatanong ka, my loves, kasi ito is meron kang mga good news na paparating. Pwedeng, my loves, na ito din may kailangan kang mga i-forgive confirmation with this amulet card. Forgiveness to other people. Meron talaga mga taong involved dito nagkukos sa'yo ng stress and anxiety na yan. So, this is the last card na napull natin kanina. Iyan is indication na kailangan mo talagang protektahan ng iyong energy. Kasi, sabi natin yung ginagawa nila, nagkakos sa'yo yan ng, sabihin natin, pagiging weak ng iyong power or ng iyong, alam mo yan, pinagaharian ka ng takot, ng fear, ng anxiety, ng galit. Pero at the same time, yung energy mo mismo, kung hindi mo kayang kontrolin or pa-stopin yung mga taong nang aapak sa'yo, nagmamanipulate sa'yo, my loves, it's time for you to use an amulet to protect your energy. Kasi meron talaga, my loves, na gusto magmanipulate sa'yo. Meron din involvement ang gossip dito. And sabihin natin, iyan is malapit lang sa'yo, sa yung household, sa yung community, my loves. Malapit yan sa heart mo, my loves. And sabihin natin, may effect sa yung mga luck, ang mga, gossip. malinaw na malinaw, my loves, kailangan mo din protektahan ang iyong energy, ang iyong energy field using an amulet, powerful amulet to protect your energy. Kasi talagang confirmation na may mga taong involved sa mga dinaranas mo right now. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.